Hello everyone, I'm Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Arcas. Here's my lecture video series on topic Web Services Overview in the subject Distributed System and Middleware Technologies. Let's see what is Web Services. Here, Web Services is a set of rules or a communication between one application to other application which is provided through internet or intranet. Here is a companies provide lot of web services such as Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Flipkart, Quicker, etc. What are the services through which web services are climbed from a sender to receiver or through SOAP, WSDL, UDDI. These are the three important components where they share and store the information from the user to receiver. Okay. SOAP is a simple object access protocol which shares the information about who requests an information and who responds to the information. It gives a basic information about a request and response of a client from server. The next one is WSDL. WSDL is a web service description language. It is used to describe uh, in a detailed manner, a description manner, where the sender from where the sender to whom the sender requests the information and from whom they receive back the response. These are the details uh, described in WSDL. Next to is WSDL, it is UDDI. It is user description definition language. It's used to store information or a directory or a root folders from which the information is shared, from whom and for whom the information is going to used. These are the basic components of web services. An overview of web services. The next one we are going to see how web services function. Web services, it is a set of rules. I have already mentioned you that which we can access via internet or intranet. XML messaging protocol, that is a standardized format for a web service, a web application platform. It plays a vital role. XML plays a vital role. It is mainly used to store a block of information and used for sharing information in huge amount. Uh, Here in the web services, the operating system or a programming language are independent or platform independent. It is an open source format so that any persons can be accessed easily. Using XML standard, it is a self-describing. It has a structured document which can be user defined. We can describe ourselves in order to collect a set of information. As it is, as I said, XML plays a huge play in sharing web-based information. It also use a simple location to locate its information. It doesn't require a huge information. It just uses a simple location to store its information. These are the functions of web services. Next, we are going to see what is web service role. What are the web services role we are going to see. These are the web services role. One is the service requester, service provider, and service registry. The purpose of the role and its operations can be explained in a detailed manner. We can see who is a service requester and who is a service provider, and what is the purpose of service registry, and what are all the types of information we are going to store in this process. um, in the next upcoming series. Let's see what are all the web service roles, operation, and artifacts in the next series. Thank you.